Seems like a decent one, but oh, that's a good one. At least a 2. It is long, big tail too. I got him. Let him play a bit. Yep, it's a micro chatter with that that blade in the back that I was telling you about. Yeah, they're a little more reactive today. He might be a 3. He might barely be a 3. Let's see. He is, yeah, he might barely be a 3. Good. Ow. Not even. 210. Ugh. See ya. I'll take him.
Hey, man.
Yeah, pretty much. I still hope that we run to a school at some point, but you know, yeah, I would take this guy. Yeah, probably. Yep. 1 pounder. This guy tighten up. Huh? Nope, I'm throwing red. Red and green pumpkin. Ooh. Yep, he was right in front of it. Ooh, he's long but skinny. Dang, the bite must be really subtle then.
That one almost off.
Nice. Yep. A little bit, yeah. This one's a 1 pounder. Oh gosh. Don't run to the anchor line, bro. Oh my gosh. Huh? Yeah, sure. It is, yep. Yep. That's what I was thinking too. Thanks, bud. Nice. Oh, walleye? Nice! What'd you get it on? Nice. Might as well net him.
Ooh, look at that, dude. It's huge.
Dude! Nice!
Keeping it.
Heck yeah, dude. Oh yeah! I don't have a stringer. Okay. I don't know. Nah, just a smallie. Yeah, I was like, he's not very big. 1 pound.
Maybe they're all down here at 1 pound.
Maybe.
I don't know why.
I know, it is really warm. Like I could probably... Yeah. Like I could probably warm my hands by sticking in the water here. Could be that too. It could be that. Yeah. Oh, go. Little 1 pounder. Oh. So the little guys are here. At least some of them. Oh my gosh. Don't splash me. Oh, there goes. Nice. Yeah. Same guy. Same size. Oh, that one looks a little slightly bigger. Yeah.
I can finally say I redeemed myself from
Nice. Yeah, that one's solid. Nice. Ooh, that one's at least a 3, dude. Might even be a 4. What is that on? Nice. Sleep prowl. I mean, the water is so weak, we can just anchor here. Dude, let me just freaking grab my big. No, you got him. Yeah, that was definitely a 3. Very nice. Yep. 3 pounds, 4 ounces. Not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, no. Oh, stupid. Nice. So they're sitting off of the spillway then. Oh.
Oh, my came off.
Yours came off? I might need a net for mine. Yeah, it's a good one. Oh, it's a catfish! No wonder. Yeah, unfortunately. Oh, he's gonna make my line all slimy. And my net. But it's wrapped around him. I am the catfish king, man. Anywhere we go. Anywhere we go, I'm the catfish king, bro.
Micro chatter?
Yeah. And he hit it too. Dude, freaking funny, man.